Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve 8 ball poll deleted your account. To know how to fix or to solve delete your account on 8 ball poll, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to 8 ball poll. Here in this window of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we go to click start. Here in this window, we will enter to clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.